video. Hope you all are having an amazing time. So today, trust me, it's an amazing day today. You can see this. So it's a new place here in Bangalore. It's called as a K9 Restro, and it's for dogs. You know, it's like they have dogs over here, and it's the best place for dog lovers. Trust me, it's an amazing place for dog lovers. So we're gonna go inside and check out how's the place. Just trust me, I can hear the dogs barking till here. See the dogs from here. Oh, you can't see anything. There's a lot. I personally am a big dog lover, and the dog lovers around here, it's like heaven. Really, it's like heaven. You guys should come over here and check it out. And this is not open yet. It's going to open on Sunday. That's the 14th of this month. But we got special access today because, you know, your boys got contacts. And so yeah, let's go inside and check out the place, how it is. I trust me, you're gonna have amazing time. You're gonna enjoy just watching the video. Trust me, forget coming here. You're gonna enjoy just watching the video. And then, I mean, I'm not saying you to come here. You are gonna come here by yourself. Trust me. So let's go inside and see how it looks. Guys, there's an ad shooting going on, the camera. So they're shooting an ad, so they cleared up the space inside. Ginger? Sorry, Angel. So that guy is Angel. So everyone's over here outside. So this guy is shooting. Where is this guy? This guy is, so that guy is shooting. And oh, hello. What's up? What's your name?
Hi, welcome to Noel and Vlogs. Make sure to like and subscribe, and tell your friends also to subscribe. Okay, bye.
Yeah, you heard him say. Make sure to subscribe. How do you shake hand? Shake hand? Come on, give me shake hand.
Yes,
no shake hand?
Shake hand.
Next. For me? Yes, thank you. Shake hand. What's up? Smash that like button. Boing, boing. Smash it. No, smash it just once. Boing. You want to sit on my lap? Come. Say hi. Say hi. Huh? You have nice ears. Big long ears. Big long ears.
Make sure to subscribe if you like me. I am very cute. Make sure to come and visit me here at K9 Restro. I'll be waiting for you. When I see you, I'll jump on you. You have to pet me like this. Like yeah, you have to pet me like this. Look at like this woman. The way this woman is petting me, even you have to pet me the same way. I'll stick my tongue out and lick your face. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of me.
You heard. I think I'll take this guy home with me. Will you come home with me? Will you come home with me? There's a shoot going on there. Busy. So I think I came at the wrong time. I don't want to disturb them, so I'll just wait till they finish. And catch you guys later. I'm busy with this guy. I'll talk to you later. Say bye.
Bye. See you later.
Bye. Bye, Ginger. So this is actually a restaurant for people, and this place is to sit over here. And there's another place on top also. So we'll go on top later. We'll just check out this place for now. We'll talk to the dogs. And oh, very brilliant idea, man. So guys, this is just not just a restaurant, and there's a spa also for the dogs. So Bhayaji over here will let us go inside. Thank you. Oh
Light डालें.
हाँ लाइट डालो, थोड़ा अच्छा दिखेगा. Oh, so guys, this is the spa area for the dogs. They have this kind of bed. I don't know what is it for. Never been to a dog spa. Nice collection of pictures. Fan, table, empty space. Oh, I think this is where they give bath. Yeah, as I thought. It's pretty well. It's not completed yet, but within 2 days it's gonna be all sorted and arranged, cleaned and everything. You see, we got VIP access. We have come early. Oh, they have hot water geyser. Yeah, I like this. This looks nice. This is that cartoon. What's it called? I don't remember. What is it called? I don't remember. Just make sure to comment down below what the cartoon may be. And oh, they have this dog shampoo. Nice collection. Deodorant spray, active antibacterial, and this leash. It's pretty good, man. It's somewhat like how you give a spa to a person, same way to the dog. And they have books over here for the dogs to read when they are taking bath and when they're getting bored. So they have dog, cat, dog, something, dog. It's for the dogs to read. I'm just kidding, man. Dogs don't read. What do they? That's all you get to see. Now we're gonna head out. So guys, we have here the man behind the show, Mr. Karthik. He went to get his items for opening because there's like only 2 days left, 2-3 days left, and he has got to hurry up, and you know there should not be any mistake, and also be all pumped up and busy. This is the dog. This is the same dog. This was the dog which didn't want to leave my side. Give me a shake hand. Yeah. I'll take you home.
No.
I'll take you home.
No, I want to stay with her.
Come with me.
No, I want to stay with her.
I'll take you to a better place.
No, I'm staying with her. She's better than you. Okay, bye.
I don't want to talk to you.
Up, hands up, stay, look up, hands up, hands up. So good, so good. Down.
Speak.
What's his name? Speaking. Angel, speak. Wait. No. Speak.
Tell him to subscribe also.
No, up.
Subscribe.
Down. Up. Second. Next. No, next. Wait, next. Down. Sleep. Next. Up. Get up.
कितना टाइम लगा ट्रेन करने में?
3 महीने
3 महीने बस?
3 महीने 4 महीने।
तो कोई भी कुत्ता 3 महीने में ट्रेन, कोई भी कुत्ता? अरे वाह। सिर्फ आपकी सुनता है कि दूसरों की भी सुनता है?
ज़्यादा मेरा पसंद।
So guys, there are more dogs actually, but they cannot leave them all together because they'll start fighting, and you know, so they're leaving, you know, batch by batch, you know, the same size dogs first, and then smaller ones, and then the bigger ones. So now I'm going upstairs to this restaurant area. Just check it out and see how it. Nice camera, dude. This is yours, right? Your name? Monish. So guys, he's a professional cinematographer. I will have his Instagram link down below. You can just go and check it out. So he has this Ronin and my dream camera, the Sony Alpha 7 III. Let's see. अपना टाइम आएगा. See, they are much bigger dogs over here, but they didn't bring them out because, you know, they are much big in size and these dogs are very small, so it's very risky. They said they'll bring them out batch by batch, but I don't know. Maybe they may not be taking out today, so I think we'll see as much as we can get. We'll see. So guys, I think I'm done here today. Amazing place. So we have the boss. So tell me about this place. What made you bring this?
Like there are lots of dog lovers in Bangalore. There are lots of pet lovers. We don't have exact space out there. So we are providing the exact space here. There are lots of restaurants in Bangalore. Like I said, all the restaurants you go to have a dog.
That is
so. In this we have the restaurant on the top floor.
Yeah. You guys saw that on top.
Yeah, it's a fantastic ambience over there. So it's a AC and non-AC restaurant. It's as same as you when you go out for the like family, you come out for weekends to have food or anything. At the same time, you can get your pets.
Yeah.
So at the same time, when you are having the food, we have ice cream for the dogs and food menu for the dogs, and also pet boarding. And also we have a little spa over here, and also dog training school over here. So
you have school also for dog training
school. So everything we have packages for the dog also. A to Z regarding dogs, selling everything.
Oh, right. So this is like the dog mall. You can get everything over here.
This is
pretty good.
On the ground floor, we have created heaven over here.
Yeah, this is really heaven. Yeah, I had a lot of fun with those dogs. I want to meet the other ones also, but maybe pick up the work. See, there's work going on there. Because the opening is coming up very soon.
Yeah,
so Sunday 14th. You guys got to come. And when you come here, make sure to bring your cats are allowed?
Cats like
no cats, only dogs. So you can bring your dogs. Have a great time here. And thank you, dude. Thank you for inviting me. See you.
Thanks.
So take care. Bye. So we're out. That's it for today. If you like it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And if you're a big dog lover, make sure to come here and visit this beautiful place in Bangalore. Address to Arey bhai, if they put address on Google, it'll come. K9 tonight. Okay, so if you just check, you have Insta? Okay, so I'll link their Instagram page down below, Furry Tales Bangalore. And so this is the road actually which goes to the airport. And this KPT circle, na? That's at KPT circle. Okay, so from KPT circle you come straight towards the airport road, you'll find on the right side. So you gotta go front and take a U-turn and come. And that's it. Love this place. Make sure to come here and enjoy. Bye bye.